Even communicators well versed in crisis communications have found themselves out of their comfort zone during the COVID pandemic. The tectonic plates under our communities and economies have experienced a seismic shift. And where's the rule book? Hi, I'm Stuart Howie. I'm a communications consultant based in Canberra. I help organisations and their leaders to discover, shape and tell their story. COVID-19 has cast a long shadow across our lives, but can I give you a more positive picture, at least in regard to communications? Because COVID has made us better communicators. It's made us sharper, more attuned, more relevant, and I think more influential than ever. In the best of times, communications is far from a perfect science. Let's face it, it's more like a dark art. Ongoing media disruption and new technologies can make us feel constantly befuddled as we do the best we can to compete in the attention economy. COVID, however, has given us some valuable intel, and here's 5 things COVID has taught communicators. Firstly, it has accentuated the need for speed. To be a Top Gun communicator in a crisis, we have no time to delay. COVID has forced us to cut to the chase, to strip back what's not needed, and to fast track what is left to our audiences via the most direct and effective route possible. Communicating in 2020 was high octane, and hold on, because it's going to continue to be so. Secondly, we've all learned more about going DIY. Most of us have not had the usual on-site daily operational support around us, be it colleagues or other processes and resources. Congratulations, I reckon we've earned a PhD in self-reliance. We've learned to communicate from anywhere, often home, and do it from our own resources. Thirdly, we've had a skills reboot. This has been more than just creating a virtual background on Zoom. Many communication professionals have extended their existing skills or learned entire new skills because they've had to. Some of us have even rethought our media ecosystems amid the tumult. The fourth insight is that we already have most of the tools and tech to supercharge content. Whether you're a communicator in government, private enterprise or a not-for-profit, you don't need to spend a lot of money to create professional results yourself. You can create and deliver first-rate content with no more than a cell phone and preset workflow. You can establish a high-functioning news studio that produces quality video and other products for next to nix, and even do it from home. Finally, we have a new call to arms. People are searching for trustworthy information and they want it from us. The public relations firm Edelman asked workers in 10 countries what they thought were the most credible sources of information about COVID-19. Almost 2/3 responded they'd believe information from their employer ahead of anyone else, including official websites and traditional media. That puts communicators firmly in the box seat as the primary source of information. So how do we take advantage of that? Well, one way is taking a cue from the professionals by setting up a DIY newsroom. Why a newsroom? Because content is their reason for being. Indeed, following a newsroom's principles and practices will organise you for the chaos that is bound to come your way. And why DIY? Well, COVID has taught us to drive straight to the hoop, to go direct to our communities of interest and via platforms we control. For these reasons, COVID should embolden communicators. If you would like to know more, go to DIYnewsroom.com.